Say hi, TJ. We're spending a little bit of time out at the farm. Thought I'd show you what we've been doing out here. They're making a new ditch for all the pig crap to go in so that the old pig crap place can turn into a new barn so we can get more pigs. And then on the other side of that fence there with the pig crap, we're also going to get chickens. These are just stray chickens. I don't know who actually owns them. Are they eating your shoes?
Yeah.
Nom 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 nom. Are you playing with the piggies?
Yeah.
These are little piglets. These are our polka dot ones. And when Becky Jo was little, right, Becky Jo, you used to call fruit snacks polka dots. So these are our polka dot pigs. And the darkest one, his name is Fruit Snacks because he's polka dot and it's awesome. They're just having some milk. Oh, watch out, piggies!
Say hi, friends.
No, run, run, run!
Stand up and go get them.
Go get them!
Becky, look at the camera.
Look over there, look at Daddy!
Look at the camera. Say piggies.
Give a pat on the head.
I told you they're gonna nibble you. If you don't want them to nibble you, you just touch them on the nose and they walk away.
Touch their noses.
Yeah, see? They walk away.
Touch their noses. Say no, thank you.
And then go get them. Chase them.
Chase them. Run, run, run.
Or climb out. Let her climb, yeah. Sure, climb out.
You're gonna turn into a little farm girl before we know it. No, thank you. No, I don't know if you knew, but pigs like to eat bricks. The pig poop goes down this little alley here, and Becky Jo has always had a really hard time with stepping over it. Can you show everyone how you can step over the big space? Yeah! Say woohoo! That's a big deal. What are you doing? Washing your boots. Yep. Another thing that Riley has done is he's implemented this new water system. The old water system was back against those walls and it would break and break and break. So he's made this new one with this irrigation pipe. And then the pigs just come over here and they use their tongues to touch this. And then the water comes out and they love it. Look at that pressure. Spray right into the next pen. Hey Becky Boo, what you doing? Splashing! Don't worry, it's actual water, not pig pee. Things I've learned about farming pigs. This here is called a farrowing pen. And one problem you have with pigs when they give birth is they tend to roll over and squish their children and kill them. So these pens make it so it's a lot harder for them to do that. Little tiny babies. When we first got here, these pigs were just tiny little piglets and they were super, super sick. They were having a hard time weaning from their mom. And then we figured out that it was the feed that was wrong, and now look at them. They're so much bigger and fatter. Yeah, that's what we do. We sweep the piggy poop down. That one just peed all over. Everyone wants to know what's going on. These are the two boars that we bought when we were in Tana. Well, that Kasuwa Farms bought. You want up? Give me your hand. You can see the piggies? Say hi, Hades.
Hey.
Looks like the ugliest pig, and I love it. Hades! There he is. Hades, show me your ugly snout. Such an ugly pig. Drinking the water. My favorite when they all like snuggle up in their food trough. Bad side is then they don't eat the food that they're sitting on because they're picky, but you know, even when they're big, they're still so snuggly. They just get dirtier and they still sit in their troughs. Monkey Joe? They're tying up Zeus?
Yeah.
Is Zeus gonna come in the truck with us?
Yeah. That.
Back there, yeah. So they gotta tie him up first. What's he doing?
Too tired.
Since he's crying, what's he doing?
That.
Like that. I don't think he's bit anyone yet.